Hello, so here I am going to talk to you about layers. So here I have selected an image, simple image. Now the background is locked. So like if you want to edit it, we just click on it and then unlock it. So let us add a layer from here, this icon, and then we'll draw some rectangle in it. So this is in a layer, and let's say we add a text layer as well on this layer. So the text layer is added on top of it. So let us add a text layer to it. So I have just typed in New York, so I'll drag it inside it. So now, like these layers are stacked on top of each other. So if I bring this layer down, so it is hidden. So this becomes hidden. And if I drag this layer up, then the text is hidden. And if I bring it on top, so everything is here. So layers are like this. The layers on the top will have more priority and that will be shown. So if I drag the text layer of New York to the top, then the text will come out. So similarly, the black rectangle will also come out in front of the image. So this is called layers. Now let me show you what is masking. So let me select this image with the quick selection tool, and then I click subject. Then it will automatically select the subject for me, but we do have to refine a bit. So this is the minus tool, where like we have to remove some part, and so I use the Command plus button to enlarge the image, to zoom in the image. So this parts where I have to remove it a bit. So this is, so you just have to do like this. So this is just a rough. So I'll click on select and mask. So it will select the layer, and I'll add a bit of smoothness to it, and then click on OK. So this is this thing. So I'll click on this thing to add a mask to it, and I'll add a little bit of a feather to it. So this is how it looks. I can also make a duplicate of it by Command Z, and then on this layer I'll remove the mask. So let's say I click on it, and then so I'll delete the layer mask by right clicking on this layer, right clicking on here, and then delete the layer mask. So this is just the background image. Now, like if I put a Gaussian blur, then this whole image, I'll show you how it works. So this is the image. I will add a filter of Gaussian blur to it. So the image is blurred. Now since on the top of it we have the subject in a layer, so if you enable it, so the background gets layer. So this is how we blur the image of our background. So this all works in layers and masking. So this layer is on the top, you can see. So this is the background is masked. So this is how it works. So this is a simple way to understand about layers and masking. And then also about smart objects. So let's say we have some image, we have to convert it into smart objects so that we can add more effects to it non-destructively. Because if you rasterize an image and add effects to it, then it is destructive and we cannot get back to the original image which you have added effects to it. So make sure when you add some effect or adjustment or curve, then you convert the image to a smart object. Then you convert the image to a smart object. So make sure when you want to add some effect to an image, then you convert it to a smart object. So that's all for today, and keep on commenting us. Give us feedback so that we'll get you more easy tutorials, basic tutorials, as well as advanced tutorials of design tutorials based on Photoshop or Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects. And please make sure you subscribe to our channel and then click on the bell icon so that you get updates as and when we release new videos from time to time.